Welcome, dear ones, to our midday reflection. Does your skin ever feel like it's on too tight? Does it itch and feel constricting? Do you feel like you're suffocating at times because you can't seem to take a deep enough breath? I have been there. I think we all have. And I think that at times these feelings can be a sign that we're getting ready to have a growth spurt. So if this is how you're feeling, take heart and get ready. I like metaphors, and so I ask you to consider our friend the snake. You see, as snakes grow larger, their skin does not grow with them. And if they don't shed their skin, they will eventually die from constriction or become ill from the parasites they've been harboring. Have you been harboring parasites? Have you been feeling more vulnerable lately and thus more protective? If the snake doesn't shed its skin fully, then the constriction of the old protective covering can cause big problems. So my friends, if you're feeling like a snake whose skin is on too tight, I encourage you, embrace the process. Start ecdysis and discard completely what no longer serves you. Yes, it may be painful for a time, but in the end it will allow you to grow and thrive, just like our old friend the snake. And so